If you would like to change coding on a bill, but it's already been paid, you do have that option with the Reclassify button. So in Accounts Payable Setup Configuration, you want to make sure that you have that turned on. So I'm going to just hit Control F here and type in Reclassify. So you want to make sure Enable Reclassification for Bills and Adjustments is checked off so that you can do this. And then you'll go to your bills screen. I'm just going to type paid in here to bring up all of my paid bills. And then I'm going to hit edit here beside Express Credit. And when I get in here, then I have this Reclassify button. So I'll hit Reclassify and then I'll be able to change the coding. So like, let's say for department here, if I wanted this to be operations, I can change that, hit post, and that'll make that update for me. So Reclassify is the option. So when you come in and hit edit, you'll see Reclassify at the top. There are certain instances where you won't be able to reclassify, like if the period is closed or if there are credits applied to the bill. So if that happens, you can reopen the period to do the reclassification, or if you're getting an error because of, something like a credit applied or something like that, you would have to do a journal entry to make the coding change.